Scientists discover proven method to easily stop snoring overnight. Can't get a full night's sleep because of constant snoring? After a recent breakthrough discovery in sleeping pattern recognition, German engineers came up with a smart solution that eliminates snoring without dangerous surgeries or expensive CPAP machines. The inexpensive device is already making waves, and it's completely disrupting the $180 billion anti-snoring industry. Leading sleep researcher explains how it works.
95% of people who snore don't realize the deadly consequences of low-quality sleep. Lack of sleep increases the risk of high blood pressure, cardiovascular disease, memory problems, weight gain, headaches, and impotence. You see, in 2019 we conducted the largest heavy snoring study in the world, with more than 12,000 participants. What we discovered completely changed our understanding about the exact sleeping patterns of heavy snoring patients.
While analyzing the largest snoring data ever collected, the researchers discovered something extraordinary. Seconds before a patient starts snoring, the body begins emitting quiet, extremely low-frequency signals. These quiet signals trigger muscle relaxation in the upper airway, causing heavy snoring. They called this phenomenon the silent snore.
After discovering the silent snore, we realized that we could help anyone stop snoring, but unfortunately, at the time, we didn't have the capabilities to detect this newly discovered biological pattern. This is why we approached and later collaborated with the British Technology Institute. We worked closely together, and after 2 years of development, we created a state-of-the-art biosensor that can detect the silent snore with medical accuracy. During the testing phase, we gave the device to 100 heavy snoring patients. We let them use the device for 1 week, but after the week had passed and we received the preliminary results, we were absolutely shocked. We knew the device will work, but did not imagine even in our wildest dreams, it will perform so well. It had an incredible 96% success rate, and it was just the prototype. We knew that this will allow us to finally prevent people from snoring in nearly all cases without surgeries or CPAP.
They called the device Dreamhero. Disguised as a comfortable mouthguard, Dreamhero is disrupting the obsolescent $180 billion anti-snoring industry. Once snoring has been detected, Dreamhero prevents it by using patented electrical feedback impulse technology. These gentle impulses guide your body to unconsciously turn on your side, without disrupting your deep sleep or waking you up. According to science, apart from the ugly and often embarrassing CPAP mask, switching sleeping position is the only truly effective way to stop snoring. Thanks to Dreamhero, you can wake up well-rested and full with energy. Dreamhero brings real results and lasting hope for high-quality sleep. Dreamhero is comfortable and non-invasive treatment option. No need to put something up your nose or on your arm while you sleep. Now you can simply wear the device on your jaw and you're ready for a good night's sleep. The first batch of Dreamhero sold out in just 15 minutes online. The factory just released a new limited batch. If you're going to buy it, there's good news and bad news. The good news: there's huge introductory 50% off discount. The bad news: they didn't expect swathes of people to buy it. There is a limited quantity of the Dreamheros and they're going fast. Click Learn More to buy Dreamhero and stop your snoring tonight.